Hello and welcome to Deck Builders Tampa, where we talk all things outdoor living. Today we are taking on a common planning question. Should you build a ground-level patio or a raised deck in your Tampa backyard? Choosing between these two is not just about looks. It starts with your existing house and yard. Take a look at your back door. If you step outside and there is already a big drop to the grass, a raised deck often makes the most sense. It gives you a level surface right off the door, which feels natural and safe for everyday use. With a raised deck, structure matters a lot. We are talking about footings, posts, beams, and the connections that tie everything together. In Tampa, that structure also has to deal with real weather, not just nice days, so we pay close attention to how the deck is anchored and how loads move down into the ground. Add in code-required railings and stairs, and you can see why planning is key. Now think about ground-level conditions. If your door is close to the grade and the yard is fairly flat, a patio can be a smart, simple solution. A concrete or paver patio creates a hard, stable surface that is well-suited for heavy furniture, grills, or even a future outdoor kitchen. Instead of framing and joists, we are focusing on base prep, compaction, and drainage, so water moves away from the house and the surface stays even. Maintenance looks a little different for each choice. A raised deck, whether built in wood or composite, will need periodic cleaning. Wood also needs sealing or staining on a regular cycle. Composite decking reduces that burden, which is why many Tampa homeowners lean that way on elevated decks that take a lot of sun and rain. Materials like TimberTech are designed to handle outdoor exposure while keeping day-to-day upkeep relatively simple. Patios usually require less frequent attention, but they are not maintenance-free. Concrete may eventually show hairline cracks, and pavers can settle slightly over time, especially if the base was not properly prepared. The good news is that many of those issues are manageable with spot repairs rather than full replacement, especially when the original installation was planned around drainage and soil conditions. Budget and use also play a big role. Patios can be more cost-effective on flat lots, while raised decks become the better solution when you need to bridge from a higher door down to the yard. Think about how you plan to use the space. Do you want a broad dining area outside the kitchen, a small landing with stairs down to a pool deck, or a multi-level setup that combines both deck and patio? The right answer often blends these ideas together. If you want a professional opinion on what fits your specific yard, you can reach our team at 813-534-5635 or visit toughdeckbuilderstampa.com. At Tough Deck Builders Tampa, we walk the site with you, look at grades and door heights, and then recommend a structure that feels safe, solid, and easy to live with for years.